Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you have enjoyed your vacations and you have revised your syllabus done so far and you have done your holidays homework as well. From today onwards, we will continue our chapter 4, that is subtraction. We have done division exercise and exercise 4.1 question 1 to 6 before vacations. Today we will start from question number 7, exercise 4.1. Question number 7 is, find the difference between the greatest 6-digit number and greatest 5-digit number. Now first of all tell me which is greatest 1-digit number, that is 9, and which is greatest 2-digit number, 99, which is smallest 2-digit number, that is 10. Now let's do this. The greatest 6-digit number is 6 times 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. And the greatest 5-digit number is 5 times 9. That is 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Now we have to find the difference. So we will put the sign of minus here and we will find the difference. 9 minus 9, 0. Again 0, 0, 0, 0. 9 minus 0 is 9. So our difference is 9 lakh. Fine. Now let's move to B part. The greatest 5-digit number, again it is over here also, that is 5 times 9. Again we have to find the greatest 5-digit number. It is again 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. And smallest 5-digit number is, smallest 2-digit number is 10. So smallest 5-digit number is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. That is 10,000. Again we have to find the difference. So we'll put the sign of minus over here. Now we will subtract it. 9 minus 0 is 9, 9, 9, 9. And 9 minus 1 is 8. So our difference is 89,999. Now question number 8. The number 84,592 less than 1,80,004 is, in this question what we have to do? We have to find the number which is less than 1,80,004. So what we have to do is we have to subtract them. So this will be minuend, this will be subtrahend. We have to find the number, that is difference. So we will subtract both the numbers and we will get the difference. So the number is 95,412. Now question number 9 is, find the missing number. A part, few boxes are given and we have to find the answers. So let's continue. First of all, 9 minus which number is 5? 9 minus, we can do one more thing. 9 minus 5 is 4. We will write 4 over here. 9 minus 5 is 4. Here 5 minus 7. We cannot do. We have to borrow. So we will borrow. But we don't know this number. Don't worry. Let's write 15 here. 15 minus 7 is 8. Now let's write 8 here. Now this number is, we have given 1 to it. So this is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Clear? But we have given 1 to it. So it must be 2. Because we have given 1 to it. See. In this way we have given. So it is 2. Clear? Now next is 3 minus 2 is 1. Now dash minus 4 is 2. You can do one more thing. Add these two numbers. You will get this number. Because this is subtraction fact. That is 6 minus 4 is 2. This is subtraction fact. We can write addition fact of it. How we will write addition fact? 2 plus 4 is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. Clear? Question number 10 is simplify. A part is 86,525 minus 28,954 minus 43,296. Now we have to simplify it. Simplify means this whatever the sign is there, we have to do the sum according to it. Now here we have to subtract this number and this number. We have subtracted and we have got the answer. Now we will write the same number here. That is 57,571. Now this number we have to do subtraction. Also again we will put the sign of subtraction here and we will do the subtraction. And this answer is the final answer. Now let's do B part. B part is 63,953 minus 42,495 plus 3,635 minus 18,551. Now let's do. First of all, we have to subtract these two numbers, and we will subtract them and we will get the answer. Now this answer we have to write here. Now next number we have to add. Now we will add 3,635 with this answer. We will add and we will again get the answer. Now in this answer we have to subtract this number. Now we will subtract. Again we will write this number here and we will subtract this number from it and we will get the final answer. So our final answer is 6,542. Thank you.